Diski Parliament, my people, my beautiful people, as I promised on the last episode, I will see you in the next episode. This is the next episode, Tibafetu. Welcome back to another episode here on Diski Parliament. My name is Siyaboga Shabang, a member and the speaker of Diski Parliament. Today, I'm not alone. I'm never alone like I. Sibaninga cool like Diski Parliament. My member maninga cool. Today I'm with our very own Diski Parliament analyst, Masintembe Jordan. Folks.
Say folks.
Come on, Jad, folks.
Sharp, come on, folks.
Grand, folks.
Simnandi, folks. Sinandi sikhala ngayo, folks. Simnandi.
Sikhala siyaphambili.
Sikhala siyaphambili, like no choice.
But ukukhala kusidi.
Khala kusiza.
Ukukhala kusidi amaswani asabakufela embeleweni. Thina simadoda baba. Sikhala siyaphambili.
Siyaphambili.
But otherwise maybe ungathi hlwaphlwap. Greet viewers ethu lapha.
Manibulise babukele nibulise ku viewers ekhaya. Into nisenzele yona ku videos bese sipostile later. I mean before it was last week, so siyathanda kakhulu banihlalo niqhubeke manje nifaka u-like, subscribe please guys. Iyakhula iDiski Parliament ngenxa yenu, siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. We really appreciate the support bafethu. If you are new to Diski Parliament, siyabonga ukuthi usijoyine. This is Diski Parliament. We talk about anything and everything Diski related. And so now we engage each other robustly. Guma politics in the game. We bring to you the latest news, the latest transfer, anything South African football. We also touch abroad nakhona sithi hlap lapho nalapho yangizona, but we mainly focus on South African football. Today into lesilethela namuhla lo mjitha ungisendelele enye i-report efokuza le report lo ngisendelele yona bekumele ngilide an agent meeting
meeting
and asikho sodwane by the way bafethu sinasibali ngala behind the camera sibali ugrade standard sibitile le agent meeting kubaluleke kakhulu namhla ukuthi sihlangane njengama member eDiski Parliament ngoba kuthiwa wadu uyahamba
and I'm too cold folks man did ya check ngibona wadu une talks nezamaleke kwenzekani kanti kwenzekani
bathi serious
talks edite folks haya kumele ngikuthinte ngalena ndite haya
sihlale
phansi ke sixoxe ukuthi kahle kwenzekani ngowadi wethu because safuna aqhubeke next season enza into enhle kwaLorlando Pirates folks.
But into lekhona ukuthi la iDiski Parliament asikhulumi budedengu nje into lekungekho verified.
Yeah.
Lesikwatiko nje sitoniqhazela ukuthi kwendakalani. These are rumors, and we all know ukuthi rumors are rumors. It's not concrete. There's no truth to it.
Yeah.
We did our research as iDiski Parliament, and we can tell you right now that this is just rumors. We cannot rule it out because there is no, what's in this bloom? There is no fire. There is no smoke where there is no fire.
Yeah.
My we see.
Talking about kubasiwe folks. Kungaqhunya kubasiwe.
I'm sorry. We see, mara. When I'm going kwakho, like, what do you make of it?
Hey folks, amnandi. I don't like say chiyo okay, the fake news ba watu une talks nezamaleke, but ngokubona kwami ngibona ngathi okay. Watu still angahamba koLorlando Pirates.
Nyalo.
Ngoku folks.
Ngaliphi?
Even before iqala season angahamba because if uyakhumbula uphela kwa season wathi bawayethini ku interviews zakhe mayibuzo wayethe okay utired. Even izolo yewathi mayibuzo kula pre-season camp abakuyo eSpain eMabhela. Uyawabuzwa ngu Michael Martin uthi okay akekho 100% sure ba kuzakwenzeka next, but yena ngokwakho uthi honest kuOrlando Pirates, but akekho 100% sure ukuthi kuzakwenzeka next. So
ube wakhuluma ngeloyalty.
So anifuna ukuthi mina ndirule out uba uwadu ngeke ahamba kuPirates. So usengahamba anytime soon because if uyayicingisisa kahle ocoach base North Africa most of them xa besiza apha South Africa baza just to boost okanye bazo create service abamazibendle. after 1 season 2 season bayahamba futhi yona into abayizele eSouth Africa. So what CV yakhe ngo say decorated already after I win a treble yabo kwisizini yakhe nje yokuqala eku-Orlando Pirates wawin a-treble, so seyinhle kakhulu i-CV.
Bengifuna kuya kulelo point there ukuthi it's not just a normal treble. I-treble nge-debut season
yeah,
which is something massive yabo. So it's really great. But folks usho sure njengel analyst la Diski Parliament usitshela ukuthi sihlale nje 50-50 sidengele ngalana ngala ukuthi angahle ahambe angahle asale.
Yeah,
so kahle kumele silinze 1 August sibone ukuthi kunabani lapha.
Folks mina ndingasho njalo ukuthi yabona kufanele ngosanze shobo okay siyalinda kude kuqala isizini. At least singatsho siperform leke ngoma sekuqala isizini wethu wadu. But before isizini iqala okwangosingabe sihlala 50-50 angahamba angangahambi.
It's a tough one for the Buccaneers. I think kuhamba kwa coach Wadu. Hey, let's thinking a little cool. Who do you think, let's say we are harmed, who do you think can replace him? And given the Spanish shine, we understand you can't just go and then get an ordinary coach. You understand? Who do you then think is capable and fit enough?
Yeah, for his style, say Orlando Pirates, nendlela abadlala ngayo. I think kuno coach only 2, and then i-choice esithathu it's either siya ngaphandle again siyokhangela omnye coach, but aba coach ababini endibatshoyo uba ingangaba bano replacer okanye abanokufitha well Orlando Pirates. I think uPitso Mosimane noRulan Mokwena.
Okay. Former Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes. Beside abo bantu bobabini ngangcono siphinde sihambe semarket siya abroad siyokhangela ucoach folks.
Where abroad?
Maybe we can go Germany, Belgium esibabe siqhela ukwenza before. Spain siyofumana omnye Jose Rivero maybe. Or sihambe siye Morocco again for a coach like Wadu. But sihambe nje siyokhangela ngaphandle, not local.
But I lean strongly with Pitso and Rulan. I think they can do a good job. Given that they have a lot of experience like I, they've won multiple trophies.
Yes.
Like I, yeah, and folks, I heard Gutsi it's not only just one team that is after the signature of Adeslam Wadu.
Yeah.
Is it Zamalek, and is there any other team besides Zamalek?
Yes, there are like 2 African unknown. Asika reveal ukuthi zeziphi bayezo team, but there are 2 Northern African teams that are willing to sign Wadu.
For sure, Al Ahly bakhona lapha.
No, Al Ahly. But maybe singathi bo Belouizdad. Because Belouizdad naye beke avela in the picture.
Okay.
Yeah. So like bo Morocco so, but not I don't think Egypt naye khona kule race.
Okay. No, it's interesting, Buccaneers. It's interesting, Diski Parliament, our people. So like we will see how these things are developed. But njengoba sesishilo si Diski Parliament bafethu, this is not verified. So there's a 50-50 chance because the club now, they won't openly declare ukuthi coach uyahamba, even if it was true. They won't just say, yes, the rumors are true, because there are certain procedures and steps that they need to follow before such things are announced. So asathi ukuthi kuyowenzakalani. So take whatever that you are getting, wherever you are getting it, with a pinch of salt. But like I have this in Parliament, so here's the waiting accord.
But folks, the other thing that endifuna uyi-add ukuthi i-Pirates behleli ngeyivumba those rumors are true. I-Pirates ayithandi ba into zazi-reveal before zenzeka. Even if i-Pirates izosayina i-player, ayithandi ba i-player ikhawuleze yazi uba ke ngoku sizosayina ubani. Even if uchecka zonke ezi-new signings ezisayinile, even now, check last season sisayine wapolice. Akekho umuntu wayesazi basawusayina wapolice. Wayesazi uba wapolice uya kwi-Chiefs, then boom, yamsign. Umbule same, boom, yamsign. Even this season yavela iPirates ethi sign uNgwato, yavela seyisign uRapo. Zange kwakhona into ethi linked what bekuqhubeka bekuthi Gabane Lungu. Same time iPirates ayikwazi ukuvela ithi ukuthi okay sifuna bani, but if ivele seyisithi signing, so ayifuni indaba zaziphume before zibezizo zibe confirmed.
Exactly. We also saw that with the release of Relebohile Mofokeng, which was agreed upon before the World Cup.
The World Cup.
We knew
After.
rumors started coming out before Sipome, and we only knew for certain after the World Cup. But Bafethu, this is what we had for you today with the Parliament. Siyabonga kakhulu Bafethu for the continued support. We really appreciate. Nani niyabona Bafethu, with your support siyakhona developers introduce netinto la ekhaya letenda ukuthi sikhona ukudeliverela lama news lawa grand. Lightning has become better. We have 2 mics in the studio. We are looking to expand to 3 mics. So Bafethu, mqhubekeni support njalo Bafethu. Sikhule nisonke kule journey lena Bafethu. This is Diski Parliament Bafethu. Anything and everything Diski related. Danke zinja zami.
Danke.